Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings option, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. After you find it, tap on it, and here you should see this option called alert vibration, and you can tap on it to enter. And here we have different levels of vibration, and we have off. If you select this one, your watch won't vibrate at all. If you select low, the vibration will be short and not as strong. Then we have medium, longer and stronger, and then high. Of course, it's the strongest one and the longest one. So select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.